Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the uppercut in Heroes Battlegrounds. This move is a cornerstone of close-range combat, allowing you to launch enemies skyward and follow up with devastating combos. It's not just about dealing damage, it's about controlling the flow of battle and creating openings. Understanding its mechanics and timing is essential for any player looking to elevate their gameplay and secure more victories. Let's dive into the specifics of executing this powerful ability. To execute the uppercut, first ensure you are within close melee range of your opponent, typically within 1 to 2 character lengths. Next, press the specific ability key or button assigned to your uppercut. For most characters, this is a quick upward motion. Timing is key. Aim to connect just as your opponent is closing in or recovering from an attack. A successful hit will send them airborne, ready for your next move. The uppercut shines in several tactical situations. It's incredibly effective for interrupting enemy abilities, especially those with a short wind-up animation. Consider using it as a powerful combo starter immediately after successfully blocking an attack or dodging an incoming blow, catching your opponent off guard. Furthermore, it's an excellent tool to punish enemies who overextend their attacks or miss, leaving them vulnerable for a brief window. Look for these opportunities to maximize its impact. To truly master the uppercut, consistent practice is paramount. Spend time in training mode, honing your timing against different enemy archetypes and their attack patterns. Focus on seamlessly chaining your uppercut into subsequent attacks, including your character's ultimate abilities, for maximum damage output. Pay close attention to experienced players. Their advanced applications of the uppercut can reveal new strategies and combo opportunities you might not have considered. With dedication, you'll elevate your uppercut game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.